Hi there, it's me Arjun, your WordPress guide. Today I'm gonna talk about the page in WordPress. Well, let's dive to the topic. In WordPress, page is different than the post. We will discuss about the post on the coming tutorial. Right now, let's discuss and learn about page in WordPress. Well, page contains the static content. Here, static means not can't be changed, but that types of content that doesn't change much, like contact us page, about us page. Second, page can have sub pages. Let's clear with an example. If you are creating about us page which contains introduction, our history, team member as separate sub pages, you can bind together on same hierarchy. Third, page cannot be sorted and categorized like post. Well, let's make simple contact us page. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. I'm opening my favorite web browser and trying to log into the WordPress dashboard. WordPress underscore tutorial wp hyphen admin. At the left side of the dashboard, go over to the page option and click add new. This is the WordPress dashboard page for creating new pages. I will type title as contact us for the title of the page. Let's type some text per page content. I have some dummy content. Let me copy and paste over here. If your text doesn't look like this probably you are not on the visual tab. Toggle between the other. WordPress provides several text formatting options. Play around with them to make text bold. For example, phone as bold, mobile, email, phone, email. I want to apply head office suite as a heading. You can toggle between the two options using this button. If your page contains more heading, use any of them because search engine also loves heading to make more traffic and find out your content on web server. On the right side, you'll see some page attributes as a parent and order. It depends on what types of WordPress theme are you using, and the feature image as well. You can set if required. You can preview by clicking on the preview button. Click publish when ready. If you have any question, leave the comment and If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit bell and like button. Thank you.